Hey everybody, it's Long 13 here. Cheers everybody. I'm doing another review for you. This is the ThorFire. And there's their website if you can read it. Echin.com and their email address. Okay, let's go over the stats. Here is the fine piece of machinery right here. This is made out of aircraft grade aluminum. It's a high efficiency reflective lens. Boom. It has 4 modes: Moonlight, low, medium, and high. It comes with the Cree XM-L2 LED. It also comes with the 18650 battery. It also comes with the battery charger, which is a bonus. And it also comes with a mount. You can mount it on your handlebars on your motorcycle. You can mount it on your bicycle. And it also swivels. So that's cool. It also comes with an extra O-ring. There's an O-ring right here that comes with it. It comes with the battery fully charged, which is a bonus. So you can, take it out of the box, put the battery in it, and you're good to go. Comes with a lanyard. So, I'm going to try, let me turn off the light so I can show you. I believe that is the high. I believe that is the medium. I believe that is the low. And Moonlight. I can't get it to the Moonlight. I know it's on there, but boom, let me freak you out a little bit. I believe that one there is the Moonlight. So is an awesome light. So there you go. I think I'm going to take this tomorrow with me on my 12-hour concert. I will put a link down below where they have their listing on Amazon.com. It is $22.99 with free shipping. That's a pretty good price with the, the flashlight, the battery charger, the mount, the extra O-ring, and 4 modes. You could also use 2 of the CR123A batteries, but it already comes with the battery with it, so not unless you have some extra CR123A batteries, you don't need another battery. The max lumens is 900, and it's an awesome flashlight. For the price, how could you go wrong? You get the battery, the charger, the mount, the lanyard. I mean, you get everything you need, so you're ready to go. So go check them out. I'll put a link to their Amazon listing for $22.99 and free shipping. So go check them out. ThorFire. And their Echin.com is the company that sells the ThorFire. Go check them out, people. Awesome light. Can't go wrong. Awesome light. Well made. Good product. Good product. So this is Long 13 here with another flashlight review for you. ThorFire. Awesome. I'm going to use it. Cheers.